County in southeastern Texas, West Central Liberty County in southeastern Texas, until 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At midnight Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Porter Heights, or 11 miles northeast of Spring, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Splendora, Patton Village, Wood Branch, Plum Grove, North Cleveland, and Porter Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.